All right. So our project is a model that can generate fake Donald Trump tweets. So yeah, I came up with this idea like because I thought it would be funny, not like for any practical or like this is just for comedic purposes, and I think it can really pay off on that. All right. So uh Swiss will take it away with the key concepts first.
Yeah, so some of the key concepts help us discover the concepts of machine learning, text generation, and web development, which is all key components that helped us create this bot. So first we have NLP, or natural language processing. It is a subset of computer science that involves teaching AI models to process, understand, and communicate in human language. Next off, we have the GPT, or Generated Pre-trained Transformer. It is a language model that processes and generates text. The latest versions are GPT-2 and GPT-3. Now, third, we have AI Text Gen, which is a Python-based tool used for AI training AI models and generating text using GPT-2. With preset parameters of 124M, 355M, and 744M, AI Text Gen is able to train and generate text at a relatively quick pace. Then we have Flask. Flask is a Python-based web framework that simplifies the process of back-end web development. Flask is a micro framework that is simple to use because it provides the tools, libraries, and technologies to build a web application. Next, we have Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML. It is a programming language used to create the front end, or what a user is able to see, of a document designed for display in a web browser. Then we have CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to create the display of a website. It can be assisted by HTML and JavaScript to make the website more interactive. Then I'm going to give Pedro the control again to actually show us the model.
All right, so we enter a prompt here and click generate. We can generate fake Trump style tweets. So I see someone already suggested the prompt of Democrat, so I'm going to put that there, hit generate, and error, project is not running. Oh, I'm gonna have to hang on. This is hilarious. All right. All right, I'm gonna have to run it again, it seems. All right. All right. Best presentation so far, I have to say. All right, anyway. Time to generate for real this time. I think Democrat broke the site, but let's try it again.
The Trump bot just couldn't handle it.
Yeah, he was triggered because we dared to say Democrats.
We can't handle it. He just couldn't handle it. He got too mad.
Yeah. All right, as you can see, he has quite a bit to say about Democrat and Republican senators. So for the bot, we just we overlaid the text over a JPEG file of Donald Trump Twitter posts that I made using the fake tweet generator. I just inserted some text and then cropped it out and we put this text over that. So let's see. All right. And as you can see, all right, these are all the team members who worked on the project. All right, take it away, Calvin and Alex.
So the team consists of Pedro Silva, Mathew Bass, Zachary Swiss, Calvin Yang, and Alex Yang.
Say the descriptions.
Pedro Silva, wants Dismals to be paid subscription service because he wants a lot of money on the fancy graphing calculator. Mathew Bass, incoming senior who enjoys playing tennis and read. Zachary Swiss, knowing how to destroy someone's PC. Anarchy 101. Calvin Yang, likes to play video games and touching grass. Alex Yang, goes to middle school and believes Calvin is fat.
That's very funny, guys.
During the first week, you learned the foundations of the
All right,
Python.
wait, Swiss, yeah, we had an
Yeah.
arrangement.
We went over this during the meeting, my boy. All right, anyways, continuing on. So the timelines or our journey as a team. So during the first week, which was June 27th to July 1st, we learned the foundations of Python and began formulating ideas for our project. During the second week, which was July 5th to July 8th, we finished learning about Python and proceeded to clean a data set containing Trump's tweets using regular expressions, and we trained the AI to generate tweet-like text based on the data. And during the final week, which was July 11th to July 15th, we built the front end of using HTML, CSS, and began deployment of the project. We also managed to finish the actual website. Now I'm going to give it to Mathew Bass to do the data cleaning.
So for our Trump AI bot, we use the Trump Twitter archive data as his account was suspended on Twitter. It consisted of a lot of emojis, hashtags, mentions, and other unwanted characters, as you can see in the first picture, just the big jumbled mess that is very ugly. Then the second picture, we had already filtered some of the unwanted stuff out, I think. Actually, I had no idea what we had filtered out at that point. But you can see some hyperlinks. There are still hashtags and stuff like that in there. And then the final picture, that's pretty. It's just all uniform because everything is out of it. Okay, scroll. Yeah. Contact us. Let's contact us.
Yeah, just shoot us an email and we might respond. Keyword is might. Anyway,
We
I'm
probably
going to-
won't.
yeah. And time for me to type in a new prompt. How about Ligma? Let's see what our Trump bot has to say about Ligma.
Why, Pedro?
I'm not afraid.
Okay.
Not like DocBot. I'm not afraid.
Okay, fair enough.
Y'all haven't seen the Discord server then. I already told you.
All right.
Li-
That's a shame. He isn't really up to date with the
funnies.
context surrounding Ligma.
The funnies. He doesn't understand the funnies. Hey, Pedro, let me put it in my mom's name.
All right.
All right, I'll private chat it to you.
All right.
I
Let's
mean, it's
see what
not gonna be much of a secret.
All right. All right. I'll type in your mother's name.
I'm just curious what would happen.
All
Wait,
right,
why would
Jenna.
you private chat it if you're just gonna
Yeah, I know.
put
I
it?
know
Okay.
because I
I
am
have
very
no
big brain.
reason
That's why.
to private
I'm
chat
very
it.
big brain. That's why.
Oh wow. Wow, I didn't know your mom was friends with Donald Trump.
Wait, she's a he?
Wait, hold on a second.
Oh boy.
Lying,
So guys,
cheating.
it sounds like you had a lot of
ouch.
fun with this.
There's
50
something I'm
shit,
not being
crying
told
shuck.
here.
Stay for
There's
lives
something I'm
of
not being told here.
Yeah, maybe
Alright.
DocBot can treat our Trump AI.
Actually, DocBot said that Ligma is not treatable.
No.
Oh,
No.
Seriously, it's in the Discord chat. Feel free to check.
I'm looking.
Which channel?
I got this. I
All
got
right,
this.
wait. Let's see. Let's see
It's in
the
Gem.
Trump bot's opinion on DocBot. Let's see. Maybe we can create a little.
Yeah,
wrap-up.
let's see how it like South mod.
All right, let's see.
You can do it. All right, there we go.
Docbot is completely out of control,
Oh,
throwing
no.
shade.
So
Continue.
true.
The great DC police must issue a response to the many problems facing our nation. In fact, just like the Dodgers' 260 shootings. Oh no. No good news for the new Congress about.
This is true.
If I
can
never
confirm.
did so absentee my call with the president when we must cancel all payments. My only hope that the big crowds which. Yes. Pedro. Put in my name now. Put in my
All
name.
right, let's see.
This is gonna be interesting. Yeah,
Alright,
it's apparently
let's
Doc
see,
according
what
to Jason
happens.
Moon.
All right, last
Zachary-
entry, guys.
Yeah, Zachary Swiss, President Donald Trump's 07 Redstone Plan. It is my great honor to address the Republican National Committee in the This Morning Next Leadership Summit.
I guess apparently I am a plan to do Minecraft things.
All right,
All right, guys.
right.
Anything else?
yeah.
Any questions for this team? All right, give this team a round of applause.
Thank you guys so much for watching and seeing our presentation and like just witnessing our glorious Trump AI model in action.